is. 847. See it starting to squish. Alright, let's see if that's good enough. I cleaned up my area a bit, it's looking nice. Perfect. Just how I wanted it. This is why you always make sure your tack welds are tacked well.
Oh my God! We've killed Kenny! We're bastards!
Change of plan. Here's why. I have to cut this down here all the way, and this is going to go straight up. Why I'm doing that? Well, I want it to be symmetrical. You see how this power steering pump is in the way, so I can't just do what I wanted to do. So here's the plate welded on. Yeah, my welds aren't that great. I'm sure they won't ever be, so I can't afford classes, but yeah. Now I just have to trim that down, drill some holes for the exhausts, and then put the angle. Here's what I'm doing. Oh, this is for the exhaust. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, just drilled a hole and using the Dremel to hollow it out, because the drill I got from Walmart didn't last very long. Unfortunate, $70 down the drain, but oh well, I took it back, got a refund, so it's all good. So I'm doing it by hand now with a drill and a Dremel. Number 2. Oh, my eyes are so big. And here's my angle. Goes right there. Yeah, it's a little crazy looking, but here's what it looks like inside the tube on the up pipe. Yep, that's going to go in here. It's going to look very messy, I know, but it'll get filled. Well, I got the headers completed. Now I have to do the up pipe. And, yeah. I have to start doing this. I have to start somewhere, so just curiosity. Let's see how this goes. Well, got that part done. Oh boy. I am not leaving it like this. Yeah, it's at a slight angle. Here we go, is a better pic of it. rear view. Not quite sure the length to cut it. I'm just gonna put it in the engine bay first, and then I'll see how far out of the hood it will come out. Alright, I feel like I'm making this video too long, so I'm gonna cut it right here. Next video will be me dropping the engine into the engine bay. I should drop right in, but we'll find out. That's what I hear anyway. Here's the porting that I need to finish touching up on. It's coming out well. Just going to do the final touches, then going to drop in the engine and going to add on the exhaust. So that's all for this video. Until the next video. See you there.